Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a Dodge Dart here and we'll show you how to remove or replace front door interior door handle. We'll demonstrate on the front left, front right will be the same way. Now, if you guys need to replace rear one, interior door handle, we'll have the video on the channel as well. Quick introduction, every car we get at the shop, including this generation Dodge Dart, we guys will have more than 200 videos. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you need to buy a new handle, tools, parts, anything like that, we'll guys have the links in the description of the video below. So check it out guys, it's there for your convenience. So let's go ahead, start on it and show you guys what needs to be done to remove and replace that door handle. First we need to remove the door panel and after that we'll proceed with the door handle removal. This is a 2015 Dodge Dart, but it actually should work for the whole generation Dodge Dart. Okay, not just 2015. The procedure will be the same, okay, for all of them. So we'll go ahead, start removing the door panel and we'll get to the handle. So what do you need to do now guys? Okay, we need to start removing a few things. Okay, we have a few hidden bolts, screws like that, so we can do that. And first we will need to remove the master window switch, okay, in order to be able to remove the door panel. So check it out, you grab a plastic panel remover tool, pry it up, you have 4 clips. Let's show where the clips are. 1, 2, 3, 4, perfect. And now guys, all we have to do, we have to disconnect our wiring harness. Press in, pull out, amazing, we're done there. So that being said guys, what else we need to do? Okay, we need to remove that cover here with the same plastic panel remover tool. Get underneath. Okay, we'll show you where all the clips are guys, so you know what to expect and you don't break things. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 of the metal ones actually stayed here, so we have to squeeze them. One is plastic, one is metal. Okay, I'll go ahead and grab pliers and show you how to get them out. So you can see guys, we got this clip out and we're going to position it on the plastic piece, otherwise you won't be able to install it. We have the metal one, this one may fall in, so we'll see. Yeah, it will go all the way in, so we'll have to remove the door panel to get to it, I think, otherwise I don't think we'll be able to get it out. It's plastic one. I thought it was metal, but it's not. This is a plastic one as well. So if you mess with it, you might be able to get it out, but it may take you a while. So we'll do that when we remove the door panel. But you got the idea. We have another cover right here that we need to remove. And under this cover you will have, okay, another bolt here, screw, and this one looks like it's, okay, 7mm. All the tools and parts that we use guys, we'll have the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please feel free to check it out. Great, this one is out. Now, what else we have? Under this door handle we have another cover. Okay, and this cover has a few clips, 3 clips, 1, 2, 3. And under this one we have a 10mm. Okay, it looks like it's a 10mm bolt. Let's see how tight that thing is. A little tight. Okay, it's almost out now. It's actually a screw. I don't think it's a bolt, because if it's a bolt it goes way easier than that. Screws usually, well, it is a bolt. I guess it is a bolt. So next guys, we need to get a Torx 20 star looking bit and we need to remove 2 more screws that we have right there under the door handle, the one that you pull. Now there are 2 designs of door panels on Dodge Dart, but the procedure will be very similar, I think. It will not differ too much. Even though we're demonstrating on the front left, it should work for the front right as well guys. Procedure will be about the same, left and right side. Because as you can see, it's practically guys the same door panel. Okay, we just have one more that we need to remove towards the bottom. They're very deep, sometimes hard to see as well. So let's just point the light a little bit. Okay, so we can see, and that way you will know what you need to do, because if you need to remove your door panel, you can damage things if you don't know how to. I've seen people pry, pull, break, clips, all kind of stuff. So you want to avoid that as much as you can, guys. Perfect. Now we get a plastic panel removal tool. We should have only the clips holding that in place. So what we're going to do, actually, we're going to get it between the door panel, okay, and the door itself. And you need to pry. Okay, perfect. Now if any of the clips break, it could happen, guys, especially if they're super tight, or sometimes if they're old, the plastic will be more fragile. We'll have the link in the description of the video below to see where you can buy new ones from. So looks like this one is pretty tight. Okay, came loose now. Okay, let's see if it goes in, up. Now slide it up. And looks like we're hitting somewhere. Let's see if it's in the cover. I think it's in the cover for the mirror. Okay, right here. We should have removed that one. It has only 2 clips. Okay, perfect, came out. And now the door panel comes out, guys. What do we need to do? You have the wiring harness, you have the locking cables here. So we need to disconnect all that. Let me show you now how. Hopefully you will be able to see, guys, how to do that. Okay, because that's not as easy as you think. Okay, this one, we're going to disconnect that cable right there. Okay, let's see what that cable is for. Okay, perfect, this one. Now we have all the room to show you guys how to disconnect the cables for the door handle, because one is a locking cable, one is actually the cable that opens the door. So those are pretty simple, actually. This one, okay, you're supposed to just grab it, okay, and pull it out. It has clips holding it. Then you come in an angle like that and, okay, get it out. Careful not to bend it, because this is easy to bend. Now this one, okay, we need to turn it. Okay, I'll turn it and we'll get pliers, okay, small pliers, and we're going to push it on each side, or with a screwdriver, one at a time. No. Okay, it started coming out. Okay, it's extremely tight, guys. Okay, comes out, and now we come in an angle and pull it out. Okay, and you can see the door panel came out. Let us show you now where all the clips are on the back side, so you know what to expect. Now you're going to have, guys, okay, one guide here, clips, check it out, one, okay, came loose. Okay, that's okay right here. Okay, that clip. Okay, we need to remove that one, and we need to install it on the door panel. Then we have one there. You have a few different kinds. Okay, on the front. So this is the one that we need to remove over. Let's see how it's going to work now. We might need to get the metal clip remover too. Let me go ahead and grab it quick. So this one, you can see how it's stuck. The white piece is supposed to stay on the door. So everywhere, guys, that the white piece is out of the door, what do you have to do? Okay, you have to pop that thing and install it on the door panel. Okay, like that. Perfect. Now this one right here, okay, it's going to fly away, so you have to be careful. We need to come and get it loose too, if we can. So let's see how that's going to happen. I hate that design. So what we're going to do, okay, let's see if we can pull that clip out, okay. If we pull it out, I wonder if we can go ahead and install that clip on the door. Okay, and see if we can do it here. No, this clip this is stuck, guys, but the two pieces are supposed to separate each other. Ours just doesn't want to. If yours breaks, guys, like ours did, we'll have the link in the description of the video below, but you get the idea, okay, where all the clips are and what needs to be done. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here around the speaker you have 6, 7, 8, 9, those are yellow. You can see 9 clips holding that door panel and a few bolts and screws. So with the panel, guys, removed now, you saw where all the clips are and everything. Now right here we have another screw that we need to remove, and this is a Phillips head screw that we need to go ahead and remove. Okay, let's get the other screwdriver. This one is too small for that, so we'll go ahead, okay, and show you what needs to be done now. Perfect, screw is coming out now. It got stuck there. Okay, that's what it looks like right there. Now we need to flip the door panel on the other side. You will see why. Okay, and right here we have one clip, guys. Okay, one clip that we need to push in. Okay, and we'll need to get a screwdriver if we have something like that. And when we push it in, you're going to pry it out at the same time. Oh, okay, like that. And then it comes out. Okay, let me see, it goes right here on the front and you slide it out, and this is, guys, the interior door handle out of the car. That's how it comes out. So if you need to replace it, that's how we do it. Putting it together is practically in reverse order we took it apart. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.